So y'all, we at the room. We literally right the last one at the exit. So I'm about to give y'all a little room tour. This was already open. So come in. Let me shut the door. Then you got your bathroom.
Wait.
Then a king of bed, the TV, and we only got a window. We didn't get the balcony, so this is just a room, small, compact, but big enough for just us two. So y'all, we just getting into our room. That was a little room tour. Our king bed. We don't really take off until 3:30. That's when we depart. I said take off like we on a flight, but we don't depart until 3:30. So we're just not getting in the room. It's only 1:15. I got my luggage right here. I'm just unpacking everything, putting things in the bathroom where it needs to be. I think I'm just gonna keep this and just take my pants off because this is like a romper. We do got like a date night type thing scheduled, so that's what we're gonna do probably on. What you gonna do the date night? Tomorrow night or Saturday night? Okay, so we probably do that Saturday night. You know, which would be the that's not gonna be the last night. Sunday night's gonna be the last night because we come back Monday. But nothing major. We have an excursion plan for when we actually get to Nassau, which is Saturday. Friday we're going to Freeport, the Freeport Island. We're just gonna book whatever we see there and just kind of go from there. But we're probably just about to freshen up, go, you know, find like some food, probably try the Guys Burger because I've been wanting to try that forever since everyone is always talking about it. So definitely about to go get some of that. I see like a little cookie station, all kind of stuff. So just today is just kind of like winging it, doing whatever, just eat, drink, sleep. I'm just ready to take off to see how I'm gonna like actually like a cruise. This is my first cruise, so let's see how this goes. So let me see if I want to change, keep this on, do what I do, get right. So y'all, we didn't get a drink package, babe. Show them what you put the Patron in. So he put Patron, he ordered this off of Amazon, y'all.
Right.
He ordered it off of Amazon and pulled a Patron in there. And it's just like a conditioner, shampoo type set that they disguise it as in. It comes empty. It's literally strictly for putting like alcohol in to just kind of put it on the boat. But this is just full of Patron, so you know we about to be lit. Yeah, guys, burgers. Just got mine. Gonna see what he hit and go. Got the chili. It's okay. Go ahead, put on your burgers. I can see how it tastes. What is that? Right there, right there.
I don't know.
Y'all, he just getting somebody he don't know. So y'all, I be putting ketchup, mayonnaise, and ranch on mine. Like I gotta have the whole three just for the heat. So we about to try it. That's good. So how was the food?
Lie.
We done ate tacos, we done ate Guys Burgers, then we came down to the bar, had like the sweet shop stuff. Looking for more food to try at that. I'm just gonna be in the gym real heavy when I get back. Trash. Trash. Yeah, he's just so trash. But check me out though. He already cheating.
Do so at this time. All guest services will be suspended during the safety briefing.
Okay, y'all, so we just woke up from our nap, and I definitely needed that nap because my hip was hurting from walking the whole time. And I look out the window, we is actually moving, y'all. And it don't feel like, you really can't feel it unless it's like a strong wind that bring like a big wave to the boat, then you kind of feel it like move a little bit. But other than that, you don't even really feel like you're on a boat. But I just put this on, still got the same purse, just did my eyebrows and lips, face is still giving, he still got his little Patron in his hand. So now we're just about to go down and see what we can find. I'll cut the light off. So now we're just going out to basically see what we can find, and you know, see what's good to eat now, see what there's to do at night. They have some activities going on, some liquor tasting.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, that's what we about to do. So yeah, we came down here to Tiffany's restaurant, which is the one that's just included. I got the sweet and sour shrimp, a baked potato, a little bread and butter. I wish they had like the honey butter. Y'all, I put like 4 green beans on my plate because I'm not sure, you know, if it's gonna taste the way that I need it to taste. But just in case, we do got the salt. And then I do got my lemonade right here. But yeah, we about to fix this baked potato, put some salt, some cheese, and some sour cream, and we about to get to it. But I probably will end up at Guy's Burger or some other one, but this is just the first stop, okay? Good morning, y'all. So today is Friday morning, and it's only like 7:47. So now we just about to go get breakfast before they close, which is like 10. So we need to hurry up. That we won't be at Freeport until 1 p.m. And I just go ahead and throw on my white for today. This is what I'm wearing for today, and I got these wedges to go with them for when I take my pictures, and probably going to Allen, and I'm just gonna put in this book bag for whatever, you know, I want to switch. But right now I'm just gonna walk down there in my sandals, because y'all know how we do wedges. Them heels is not for all day thing, it's for my pictures. Take them off and put them back for my sandals. But hopefully they got some good breakfast. Oh, and do y'all want to see my man outfit that I picked out for him? Come show him, babe. I did pick out that outfit. Yes, I did. I ordered that for him, y'all. Let me give y'all a closer look. Y'all see the flamingos? Y'all see the details? Y'all see the details? And then, yeah, I bought this too, y'all. Yeah, y'all see the pink shorts? Yeah, island vibes. Is definitely giving island vibes. The things I do for my favorite little Mexican over there. But yeah, hopefully they got some good breakfast, because I'm a grits, waffle, egg, cheese type person. So that's what we need. But come on, y'all, let's go downstairs. So whatever, upstairs, whatever it at, because half the times I don't even know where I'm going on this cruise. We just going, okay? We just be all over the place in the elevator. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. So we just had breakfast. Now is the first drink of the day. I wanted to know if they do a rainbow shot, but they don't do rainbow shots, unfortunately, because when I had it in Mexico, it was a killer. And go ahead and start your morning off good. We still still haven't arrived to the actual island yet, and I'm trying to save all my drinking and stuff for the actual island. I plan on trying all the island foods as well, but yeah, #1 drink for the day. So we went into the gallery, y'all. So first thing they have is just like jewelry when you pop up. They have an Oakley's. Oakley's. Oh, y'all, they got guest purses. I'm gonna go in here and just see what they got. Give some souvenirs so we can get what we get.
You don't actually take cash at home here. You can use your own card or debit card.
Y'all, the white guest chips and stuff are ready for you. So y'all, we actually needed somewhere with chips and stuff because we have nothing in our room. We didn't even bring any kind of snacks. They got some cashews and stuff. I might get me a little thing of almond M&Ms. How much those little cups is right there? Well, here goes some right here too. $30. Yeah, they want $30 for a cup.
Hello, get it, man.
How much is it? I might get him that. Y'all see that? This is so cute. Yeah, they want $30 for this cup and $20 for this one. I feel like this one should have been $20. This one probably should have been $30 because of the texture, the bigger and all that. So we right here trying to find souvenirs and stuff. So y'all, we finally at Freeport, Bahamas, and I'm trying to find me some good food. We didn't book an excursion for, they got some about tropical drinks. I think that's the one with the pineapple drinks or whatever. We just walking around, y'all, trying to find some good food. We didn't book an excursion for this island, but on Nassau, we got like snorkeling. So we just kind of just like dropping around and everything right now. So we can definitely see what we find.
So we are coming with a force. Yes, this is the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and post.
What we looking like? There, it's all there. That's all there. That's definitely all there. Like, the Bahamas is beautiful, the water is beautiful, like the way they cook and everything, y'all. This is a great experience and I'm so happy to be just on this amazing cruise. Yeah, we done took pictures and all. We went to this restaurant. It was a fancy restaurant. I feel like the Pepsi was the only thing I was like used to. But yeah, we took pictures and I think they're gonna come out fire. She said it's gonna be ready for, like, they're gonna be ready for viewing tomorrow. So now we're just going back to the room to go ahead and switch my dress because this was like we had like a date night type thing. So my wedges and stuff is like killing me, and the bar that I'm about to go back to and get that my favorite drink is actually by the pool, and because it's so wet I don't want to like slip and bust my ass and be the comedy show of the night. That can't happen. I look too good for that to happen. I don't know who he think he is.
Bam, bam,
Ooh.
bam.
Show him the shoes, babe. Show him the shoes, y'all. This is another outfit I peeked out and bought for him. Do you think our dinner went?
I mean, it was alright. I mean, it wasn't the best meal.
The bread was nasty. And I feel like they should have gave us a choice of like a, what is it called, like a cinnamon butter, honey butter or something, instead of just regular butter. It wasn't that good. I had got a sirloin steak. We kind of got the same thing, well done, because I noticed when I go to restaurants like that, if I don't say well done, they give it to me very pink with like blood oozing out. So he actually had the steak that I needed, which it still had a thin layer of red. Mine is like all the way well done, so mine was kind of like tough, and I hate that. But I guess I did tell them well done, but you know, it was okay. It wasn't the best. I feel like Shoes was at steak is actually better than theirs.
Way better.
So, and then we took a picture. We had looked good. We got compliments all night. I feel like we was just looking so good. Yeah, but you know, I'm gonna post our pictures and everything. They won't be available till tomorrow. We about to go to comedy night. Like I stated, come in the room to just change my shoes. I started off with these, y'all, and these are from Shein, but I feel like these are so uncomfortable. Like, they're cute, but I feel like these are just so uncomfortable to walk in. And probably because I'm not, they are tall heels and I'm just not like comfortable with that or something. I'm guess because I'm flat-footed. But now I just got on like my wedges, and these are cool to walk in. Like, I can walk in these, but we about to go to the bar and get like our favorite drink for the night, and the bar is by the pool. So like I said, I don't want to bust my ass and be the comedy of the night before we get to comedy night, you know, because we look too good to be doing that. We can't be doing that.
Oh, you're recording? I talked to Hey, shorty, smile. You on America's Funniest Home Video?
So we just came back from snorkeling, and y'all, I had a ball. It was an amazing experience. The water was so blue. But now we just back in the room. It's only 12:17. We just got done watching, and now we just about to go back on the island and find some food. And this is all I got on, y'all, just a romper because it is super hot out there. And yeah, so this is what I'm wearing in my brown little sandals. Might pull my hair down. I don't know if I'm gonna leave it in the blunt or not, but yeah, y'all, let's try some Nassau food. And yeah, because I feel like once I get some good food in my system, that's all I want. I really want like some oxtails, some rice and peas, some plantains if they have them. Hell, even some jerk chicken. I don't even care for like hot stuff, but and another fish. Like, the fish is busting here. Probably go out, come back about 3 and just take me a little nap, and then just come back down for, you know, dinner or something like that. But yeah, come on, let's go get some food from these Nassau streets. Hey y'all, so today is a Monday. We just arrived back to Jacksonville at the port, so it is time to go. And I'm actually so glad because listen, I had too much fun on this boat. I done drunk enough for everybody and their mama, and it's time to get home. Yesterday I did not vlog because it was just literally, Nassau was the last thing that we did. Yesterday was just like a fun day at sea. So we basically just ate all day, just lay by the pool and drank. So I didn't really have anything to vlog, you know. So that's why y'all don't see any footage from Sunday. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And you know, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Zaaliyah, and you can call me Zai, but this is a channel where we only accept positive vibes only. And you know, and make sure you smash that subscribe button if you haven't done that by yet. I mean, we're at the end of the vlog, and if you haven't, sis, what's the problem? What's the problem? But yeah, we just waiting on our luggage to be carried down. I'm just packed and ready to go. I'm 3.5 hours away from Jacksonville, so it's time to get this show on the road. Peace, love, and kisses. see you guys in my next video.